It is so cool outside. So cool outside. I remember that I go outside. Yeah, me too. I want to go outside. That's it. I want to go outside. Because it's cloudy. Oh, cloudy. Okay. I'm cool also. Daniella and Danielle, it's snack time. It's 1 p.m. So let's get to eat. Did you say my mommy told you guys to get snack time? Of course. Now let's go. Oh yeah. Now let's go. Haha. I'm gonna go. Woo! Yeah. Okay, girls. I got some here. Water bottle, popcorn. This is cheese chips, and the bread. And this is our little bread, like a circle. Oh yeah. Is there any questions? Well, you do not eat so fast, okay? Well, do not eat so fast. Do not eat it much quickly, okay? Yeah, right. I'm okay. Oh, yes. Danielle and Danielle, I don't know what you do to get you to eat so quickly. But I don't know what. Okay. You guys gotta eat it slowly. Okay, thanks, Mom. You're welcome. Bye. I gotta go to work. Is there something I can do? What are you going to do? Well, that's a really you say. What you say? We're gonna eat some little bread, popcorn, and chips. I wish you guys are ready. Yeah. Look at this is a shape of nightly. Alright. I was okay because the nightly is how we feel is smooth. The chips smooth? Yeah, they're so smooth. You guys are ready? No, I think guys are ready. How do you do? Oh, is there something at the door? Oh, I wonder if it's gonna be. Well, yeah, she's gone. I'm going to eat all the things. Let's open the cup and eat this. Haha. Now let's eat something. La. I hope she's going to get everything. Well, I hope we got a new visitor. Oh, hello! Oh, hi, nice to meet you. Yeah, nice to meet you. What's your name? I'm Daniela. Oh, that's so cool name. I'm Jay. Do you have any other questions that you have? Yeah, can you have a snack with me? Snack? Oh, whoa. What? Can you have a snack with you? Sure. Let's go get it. All right, let's go. Eee. Now it's time to get it. Oh, right. Wait. What is your snack that is gonna be gone? Well, it was the other thing like that. Oh no! We will get it. What was that? Maybe because it just ate it all. What the hell? I guess it must have ate it all. What is this? Guys, I'm so full. Any snacks is gonna be. But it's Danielle! Yeah, Danielle, what did you do that? You just ate it all of the snacks and it's gone. Okay. I'm gonna do it, but the sign really have. Oh, yeah. Oh, my gosh. Danielle, what is that the hiccups? Yeah. How we're gonna do this is gonna do this. What? I mean, this is gonna call your mother if you get a Danielle got ate all the snacks, the popcorn and chips and the water. Not so cool. Can you have a begin outside? No way! I'm really dead. Okay, but oh my gosh, I got the hiccups. I just ate it all the snacks. You see that I ate all snacks, Danielle. Why do you do that? I was getting hungry, but I was doing it. I hate it. So with the empty bowl right there. So I gotta get the popcorn, water bottle, and chips and the bread. What the? Oh, you still got the hiccups? Yeah, it is. Come on, come over here, Jay. Come over here. Oh, okay. That's not cool. I guess I'm gonna do it. Oh. Hello, guys. I'm back to work. Danielle? Oh, Danielle, is this after hiccups? Yeah, I'm so full. But I got he eat it too quickly. But I don't want to hear this slowly. But I'm so depressed. Danielle, what do? You just ate the bread, popcorn, and the chips. Cheese with the chips. What is that for? We can begin. How is this? Okay. And water bottle, you drink it all. Oh, I'm sorry. I don't forget to eat it so quickly. You ate it so quickly? I do. Forgive me. I'm so really got to this. Alright, I'm gonna call you two friends. Oh, that was a wonderful sky of this. I agree. Hey, two guys, what is doing? I'm gonna see outside what is going on. You, what's your name? My name is Jay. Jay, nice to meet you. So, what is going to do? I think I'm gonna help. What's that postal box? Oh, I'm gonna get it. Jay, what is going on? Danielle has got the hiccups. Danielle, what? She hated all of these snacks. Okay, come over here, Jay. Come in here. All right. Oh, yeah. Oh, hi there. Oh, hello. Wow, this is something. A new thing. This is gonna be scary if the hiccups go away. Really? Oh. Yeah. All right, Jay and Daniela. Now it's time to take care of the hiccups of Danielle, because she ate it all. What? You ate it all? Oh, no. Oh, no. Hi there. But I'm sorry for eating too much. I got something wrong with hiccups. Oh, that's it. Episode's good. Not bad. Yeah. All right. We are going to take a breath as many times to get your hiccups away. Whoa, yeah. Yeah, only Danielle does. Oh, okay. Can you take a count of breath? Yeah. No way, no way. I just got in there. Gotta take a breath. Okay, take a breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. Oh, thank you. Oh, wait. Is that a hiccups again? Yeah, I'm just doing it as a hiccups. But I'm so sorry. You shouldn't eat it, but isn't gone away. Oh, yeah. Oh, let's do it, jumping jacks. I have an idea. What? Let's go. As is the counting of this, I'm getting jumping jacks. To get your hiccups away. Okay. Alright, Daniela got idea, and we have to use our jumping jacks. Okay, you like that. 1, 2, 3. You too, Danielle. Ooh. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, God. Oh, no. Ah. Oh. Danielle, are you okay? Oh. No way. I got the hiccups again. I'm gonna do it. Oh, wow, Danielle, what is that for? Did someone fell? Yeah, I fell of this. Well, what should I do? We need to use this. Really? Yeah, we need to use this to spray to scare it away. That's not a good idea. Yeah, let's pray all this day for this getting get the care of hiccups. Alright. Now let's turn it on. Ready? Oh! He sprayed on me. Not working? Alright, let's do that again. Yes! Let's do that again. Again, this button and I'm gonna spray all this. Wait, what? I didn't spray it, right? Okay. I got a manually scare. Oh, that was stupid. Don't worry, I haven't gotten something. Well, if you want to press it, you can scare away. I have to get hiccups away. Oh, that was so close, Jay. Okay, here. Okay, you ready? Are you ready? Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Haha, did you like it? I'm scared of it. What are you guys doing here? Let's try one more time. Ready? Oh, that was officially scared. Let's pump it up. Ah, I'm scared of it. Wait, I just say hiccups is gone? Wait, the hiccups are gone. Oh yeah. Good job on you too. Thank you. Oh, welcome, it is something today. Yes, it's scared of it. Really? Your hiccups are gone. Yay! Oh, your hiccups are gone, Danielle. But you don't eat too much again. Oh, that was so fantastical. Yeah, I was really alerted and some more things. Did you think about Jay? I give this spray over here, so we're just gonna do a spray all of this and scare. Oh, is he scared of this? Yeah, I just scared of this at midnight. I just spray all of this. While you two are just gonna go home. Really? Oh no! Oh, that was I'm gonna play it now. Okay, I'm gonna play it now. Okay, what you want to do? Can you play the cards game? The card game? Oh yeah, I'm gonna do it. Okay, come on. Okay, I can see. Where I'm gonna go? Yeah. The next day. I just reading Saki the farmer. Oh. Danielle, I just drinking too much of this water. You think about you? I have no idea. What, you have no idea? Great. I'm not having no idea. Well, I guess so. Ha, yeah. Uh-oh. I just got a hiccup. Danielle, get a ticket out of this. What? I just got a hiccups. Oh no, we're all gonna get it. Here we go. There's a spray. Now you can do the scare of the hiccups. Oh, no way! Oh. Thank you for watching. Please click like and subscribe. Bye.